film, tons of film cameras. But you guys, I found the happy medium finally between film shooters and digital shooters. And right in the middle is the CCD Film Like Digital camera, ranging from 25 bucks to like 125, 150 bucks. We're going to talk about Olympus, Nikon, Canon, Sony's, Fujifilms, Konicas, Pentax, and more. Just take a look right now at these 16 photographs that I took. On the bottom is the camera that I used. Now, in the description, I'll put a full list of the cameras and the lenses that I used for each one. For processing a roll of 36 exposure film, buying the film, processing it, scanning it, that's about the same price as one